In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Relume designs into Webflow. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Webflow workspace and that you have access to the project where you want your Relume designs to appear. It also helps to have your Relume account ready since you'll connect it during this process. Start inside your Webflow project. Open the designer so you're working directly on the site where you'll be importing your components. From here, head to the apps area. Depending on your interface layout, you'll see an apps icon or an apps option in the menu. If you don't see it, double check that you're in the correct workspace and that your plan allows app installs. In the apps view, type Relume into the search bar. You're looking for the Relume Site Builder import integration. This is the official connector that lets Webflow and Relume talk to each other. So you can bring design components in with clean structure and consistent styling. Select the Relume Site Builder import app, then choose Install on Site. If you manage multiple projects, make sure you pick the correct one. You'll be prompted to approve permissions so the app can add components and styles to your project. Review those details, then confirm to continue. Next, you'll be asked to log into your account to complete the connection. Sign in securely and avoid sharing any personal credentials during screen recording. Once authenticated, you'll be returned to Webflow with the Relume app connected to your site. At this point, you're set up to move efficiently between tools. With the integration installed and your account connected, your Relume designs can be brought into Webflow without manual rebuilding. Even better, you now have the flexibility to move assets and components the other way too, exporting from Webflow to Relume and then into Figma for further iteration or documentation when needed. A few tips as you start importing. Consider duplicating your Webflow project first so you have a safe backup. Keep an eye on class naming to avoid conflicts with your existing style guide. After bringing in sections, review typography, spacing, and interactions to ensure everything aligns with your design system. Finally, publish to a staging domain to verify responsiveness and performance before going live. And that's it. You opened your project, found the apps area, searched for Relume, installed the Relume Site Builder import app, connected your account, and unlocked a smooth workflow between Webflow, Relume, and even Figma. Congratulations and happy building.